Okay. I'm gonna try and be quick about this, but basically, I have a bunch of scenes like that, nested scenes. Got ones like this police officer one, this streaking one, all different directions. It's got like move sources, bouncing them up and down. All I'm doing is it's a browser source. It just pulls their profile picture and pops a quote unquote head on top of these bodies that I've got sitting there in nested scenes, and then I can trigger them to do all sorts of things. There you go. Someone's triggered it. Oh no! And stuff happens. There's another one where they
Oh
splat up on
damn,
the
that
screen.
sounds like a total barstool moment. Hope they're okay, but like, why are they out there?
Ignore that. I had other ones in the past. I had a driving scene and people could pull me over with the police officer and they would like waddle up to the car and we'd have like a whole interaction there. I got like pedestrians and things walking around outside. You can definitely do it. Having multiple browser sources a bit CPU intensive, so I load them on a case by case basis. You can have more than one. I've done that in the past. I had a scene with the browser sources and I would screenshot them and save them as an image and then load those images rather than having 20 browser sources. I just have 20 little images. It was a bit better. That was a bad explanation, but hopefully it worked for you. You're pretty smart by the looks of it, so I'm sure you can work it out. I've not messed around with SammyBot, but it looks like it can do a lot, so good luck. Yeah, thank you.